Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're doing a comparison between PHANT AI video maker and CLIPCHAMP. CLIPCHAMP. That's right. Are you struggling to choose a video editor? In this 1 minute showdown, we're going to break down PHANT AI and CLIPCHAMP. We're going to compare their features, ease of use, and the rest of them. You see, whether you're a busy entrepreneur, a content creator, just getting started, we'll help you pick the perfect app to create stunning videos fast and grow your channel or your business. So, let's cut through the noise to compare these two powerhouse video editing apps, the AI-driven PHANT AI and the user-friendly CLIPCHAMP. Which one deserves a spot on your device? Let's find out in 60 seconds. Let's look at what they're best for, or let's start with their core strengths. PHANT AI Video Maker, the core strength is AI-powered magic, while CLIPCHAMP, I don't know why I keep getting the name wrong, CLIPCHAMP is an all-in-one editor. When we look at what they're best for, PHANT AI is best for speed, automation, and turning ideas into videos instantly. While CLIPCHAMP, I have to be careful with this name, CLIPCHAMP gives you creative control, polished edits, and built-in templates. When we look at ease of use, PHANT AI Video Maker is extremely easy. Just describe your video and AI builds it for you. While CLIPCHAMP is very easy. It uses a drag and drop interface and it is intuitive for beginners. When we look at AI power, PHANT AI is a star player. It writes scripts, generates scenes and voices, while CLIPCHAMP is helpful. It's a helpful assistant, decent AI for text, video, and resizing. When we look at their templates and assets. Oh Lord, have mercy for us. When we look at their templates and assets, PHANT AI Video Maker has limited templates and its focus is mainly on AI generation, while CLIPCHAMP has a huge library with stock video, music, and trending templates. Lastly, their pricing. PHANT AI has a freemium model and the paid plans is also there for heavy AI usage, while CLIPCHAMP is often bundled with Microsoft 365 subscription. So think of it this way. PHANT AI is your super smart assistant. You give it an idea and it does the heavy lifting, creating a complete video from scratch using artificial intelligence, so it is blazing fast. CLIPCHAMP, on the other hand, is your fully stocked editing studio. It gives you all the tools, the templates, the filters, the stock library, everything to build and polish your video yourself with some AI help along the way. So if your priority is speed and automation, PHANT AI is a champion. But if you want hands-on creative control with a massive assets library, especially if you're already a Microsoft user, then CLIPCHAMP is the way to go. So, are you team AI magic or team creative control? Let us know in the comments below. If this was helpful, do us a huge favor. Hit that like button and subscribe for more straight talking app comparisons to help you grow your business and your brand.